Okay, hello everyone, I'm making this video for HEC RAS part number 1 lecture. So once you have downloaded HEC RAS and the PDF file from our class, you should have these two files. Okay, so let's open up our PDF first. So HEC RAS practice number 1. Okay, so we have our input data on our PDF, and let's open up HEC RAS 6.6 or whatever version you have. Okay, so let's go to File, New Project, and then in Documents I'm going to save this as Exercise 1. Click OK. Yes. Now go to Options, go to Unit System, and then where it says Select Unit System, go to System International or Metric System. Click OK, say yes. And then now from here, we'll go to View Edit Geometric Data. It's the first icon next to Save button. Okay. And then now let's go to River Reach. Left click once, left click once, left double click once. And then let's name this example 1, EX1, reach EX1. Click OK. And then let's go to cross section. Okay, so we have this. Let's go to options, add a new cross section. Let's name this 01. So River Station 1. And then once you're here, now we need to look at our PDF file. Okay, on the left. So we have our input data that looks like this. We have 11 stations, and each station's altitude increased by 0.1 meters. Okay, but this is the general shape. So this is the shape for our first station. So we go from A to D. So A, B, C, D. Okay, so we go from station A to D, and as you can see, as we go from section 1 to section 2, the only difference is that the elevation goes up by 0.1 and everything stays the same. So let's go to HEC RAS. Let's type in 0, 10, 20, 30 for the station on the left. And then go to elevation and type in 10, 0, oops. 10, 0, 0, 10. Okay, and then if you go back to PDF and look here, we have downstream reach length as 100 meters. So 100, 100, and 100. And then let's do for Manning's values is 0.02, 0.02, 0.02, and for our main channel bank station, for left bank it's 0, and for right bank it's 30. Okay, and then click Apply Data, and once you click Apply Data, you'll see this figure on the right that shows what you just did. And then once you've done that, now we just go to Options, Copy Current Cross Section, and let's name the next one 02. Okay, and now we're in 02, so we just only need to change the elevation by 0.1. So add 0.1 to this, so 10.1, 0.1, 0.1, 1.1, and then apply data, go to options, copy current cross section, 0.3, okay, add 0.1, right? And you have to do this until you are at station number 11. So once you finish all the way to station 11, now we can close this, and now you can see that we have this data where you can see all the stations along the river reach. So let's go to File, Save Geometry Data, and then you're just saving this to the same location as your project. So let's name this Geometry and click OK. So now we have saved our geometry data. You can close this. Okay, once we're done with our geometry data, let's go to the view/edit steady flow data. So it's the one right next to geometric data. So click on this. And then for PF1, let's put in, if you go back to PDF file, the upstream flow condition flow rate is 300 cms. So let's put that in. And then you can click apply data. And then let's go to reach bounded conditions. It's this button. And go to known WS. And for known WS, let's apply downstream boundary condition water level equals normal depth 5 meters. So let's type in 5 here. Click OK. And then you can click OK. And then let's click apply data again. So once you have applied all the data, let's go to File, Save Flow Data, and then type in flow. Click OK. And then close this. And let's go to this one. It's the first figure with the stickman that's standing like this. Steady flow analysis, perform a steady flow simulation. Okay, it's the first stickman that you'll see. So click on that. click compute. And once you're done, close it. And you can also close this. Now let's go to this one. It says view cross sections. So if you click on this one, you can see how the water profile changes for each station. Okay. And then let's click on view profiles. So the one next to view cross sections. So you can also see what's happening with the profiles as time progresses. And then let's go to view general profile plot. So you can also take a look at this. And then you can also go to view computed rating curves and so on. So you can also see other stuff. So go to 3D viewer results, and you can see like how it is in like 3D. You can choose different station and see how it looks like. And you can also go to view summary output tables by profile, which is this one, and you can get all the results. So we have the flow rate 300, that's fixed. We have the elevation going from 0 to 1. We have the water surface elevation changing, and other elevations and slopes, and flow area, top width, and fruit number, and so on. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.